My. What a deal. Includes a Carfax buyback guarantee. This gas-saving 2011 Dakota Bighorn Lone Star will get you where you need to go. You've been longing for that one-time deal, and I think I've hit the nail on the head with this terrific vehicle. New arrival. Less than 29,000 miles. You don't have to worry about depreciation on this trustworthy vehicle. Safety equipment includes anti-lock brake system, curtain airbags, passenger airbag, front fog driving lights. Comes equipped with all the standard amenities for your driving pleasure: power locks, power windows, air conditioning, cruise control, 3.7-liter 5.6 SOHC engine,